And finally, Susan Lee looks at taxing your sugar intake.
The pop and fizz of soda might be getting more expensive as more cities consider taxing sugary drinks. The latest, Chicago and its surrounding suburbs in Cook County, a population of 5 million. The county's board is proposing a penny an ounce tax on colas, sports drinks, iced tea, and energy drinks, and also for the very first time, diet sodas. Now, if approved, it will be the latest to join 6 other cities across America that have approved these so-called soda taxes. 4 of those cities voting in the levy this week, including in San Francisco.
I think it's one way to decrease consumption of something that in the end costs a lot more than that tax, because diabetes is really expensive.
I don't think that we need to tax things that we feel are unhealthy. I think people should have the ability to make those types of choices.
But do soda taxes really work? One example might be Mexico, which introduced its soda tax nationwide in 2014. In a research study published by medical journal BMJ, during the first year of the tax, purchases of sugary drinks fell 6% on average each month, and reductions were higher among the lower income households, which tend to suffer the highest levels of obesity. Industry groups say that a sugary drinks tax will increase the cost of these drinks by 20%. The Cook County Coalition Against Beverage Taxes supports this, saying that we remain very concerned that a beverage tax will directly affect working families and small businesses. If this tax passes, consumers will pay more and get less freedom. Meantime, the world's largest drinks makers say that soda levies are not about nutrition at all.
Soda taxes are there to balance budgets. It's got nothing to do with public health issues. If you look across every one of the jurisdictions, everybody had a budget problem. And everywhere you see taxes coming in, it's because of budget issues.
Beverage makers like PepsiCo are also changing their recipes to slash a calorie count. PepsiCo says that at least 2/3 of the company's beverages will contain 100 calories or less per 12-ounce serving in less than a decade. Cook County's vote will be the biggest test yet on the government's intervention to regulate one's sugar intake. Now, if the ballot gets approved, it will add another city on a growing list of places across America that want to tax your consumption choices. For Nightly Business Reports, I'm Susan Lee.